Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Monday, March 2nd, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through one more thing on the build script I was using for ObjectStudio last week, and that is this little modification I made in run startup script in class global dictionary. So if I look over here, you'll see I'm class global dictionary, method run startup script, and if I scroll down, you'll see this is the code as it originally stood. What it does is it opens a workspace, takes your script, and executes it. The difficulty for me is when that saves the image, it saves it with the workspace open, which isn't really what I wanted. I just wanted it to file in kind of the same way that in VisualWorks the -fileIn command works. So I dug around a little bit and I found out that if I take this code here and drop it in place of what's there, which is ultimately where this thing goes anyway, take the ObjectStudio compiler class, tell it to evaluate the script, and just give it the namespace and receiver, and it just works properly. I'll show you what I mean. Let's close this, close this. So to show you what I mean, we'll bring this command line tool into the view, and I'll show you the command line. So here's the VM, here's the image, and this is the new one I've saved with that change in it. And then I use -O studio, and then in quotes, because there are spaces in the command line, -S followed by my script. So let's hit return. And you see now it's coming up, and you don't see anything visible happening, but that's because in the background this thing is doing stuff, and there it goes. It's loading in my Olay script, and then it's going to load in my specific class, and then it's going to save the image. So there you can see here's my development image. If I double click on this, it should fire it up. And of course it's going to take a moment because iTunes isn't even running right now, so it's going to have to fire iTunes up because that's the way COM works. But I've gone and done that, and let's go ahead and look down here. And here's my new image right here, Olay demo. So, whoop, not that one. Here it is, OST demo. There's my development image that I just saved. You can see 3/2/2009 at the current time of day. So that's about it for today. I'll leave you there. Until next time, have fun with small talk.